This is the 2-tier bamboo shoe rack that I'm going to be putting together and demoing for you today. It comes with instructions, as you can see here, that are very easy to follow. Even I could do it. The rack has these strong hinges that can hold up to 40 pounds. The wood is lightweight but sturdy. Putting on the legs, we want to make sure that the hinges are facing down and the dowels are facing up. This comes with all of the screws that you will need, as well as an Allen wrench to use. This simple assembly took me only about 10 minutes to do. The rack comes with pre-drilled holes, which makes it really simple and easy to put together. The bamboo is sturdy, durable, and it's treated to be waterproof. I got this to go underneath an entryway table, and it ended up fitting perfectly, and I really love the simple, clean design. Depending on your needs and how many shoes you want to store, these racks are also stackable. And simple as that, all done. It's sturdy, durable, holds up to 40 pounds. I think that the simple design looks really nice. These are some size 12 men's shoes for size reference. And here we have boots on top, shoes on the bottom, as well as even some dog shoes down there. Overall, this is a great simple shoe rack.